Here's how to make non-gooey cashew oat milk. In a high-speed blender, put quarter cup cashews and 2 tablespoons steel-cut oats. Pour 1 liter filtered water, minimum 1 liter. Yep, you heard me right. Lots and lots of water, that's the secret. Blend for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. And that's it. Your cashew oat milk is ready. Frothy. I like to have my cashew oat milk with tea. So I pour some milk in a cup, pour the brewed tea over it, adjust a little bit. If I need to add more milk, I add more milk to get the color I like, and enjoy my vegan chai. If you want support to live a happy, fulfilled vegan life, then visit my website Veganosaurus.com. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!